Guys, I'm in an objective building, but I need help now.
Okay, we have 7 buildings coming.
We have to raise it?
Yep. Your team color.
Come on in.
That'll be your team color.
Oh, crap.
You raise it up to blue.
Yeah, I know.
We can't get into tunnel. Get in. Someone's calling us.
I need backup now.
This one, 815.
Correct, each one is 815. I need backup ASAP.
What building is it, the center?
Correct, with the green flag raised.
Okay.
Hit!
Oh, roger, roger.
Hit. Damn it. Dead man walking out. Dead man, dead man. Dead man walking out. I am KIA. Damn it. God damn it. Touch the building if you're dead. All right, Paul, we need to go get the objective.
Okay, there's someone on the,
I don't care about them. I'll let them have the spot. I just want to go that way.
On the right side.
All right, you too. Kevin. Paul, come here.
Yes?
All right, we're gonna go push the objective building.
Tony. White building?
Yep.
White building's got a guy in it?
No, you see that building with the flagpole that's sticking up with the blue flag? That's the objective building.
Oh.
That's where we gotta go. We have 5 minutes to do it.
Shooting? Oh, God.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's get our cardio on. Let's go. How we looking?
Clear over here, but I know some enemies like right behind 831.
Can we cross?
Okay,
You think?
tactical column.
I can cross, I can give you cover.
All right, let's go.
Tactical column.
Clear on my end. All right, push up. We're clear. We're clear. Come on, Kevin.
Hey, we're not clear over here.
What side? Where are we taking shots?
Uh,
Corner or
edge of
directly?
fence. Edge of fence right there.
Okay, so if you cross over, can you get an angle on them or no?
I don't know
I have
where
a pistol, so
where
no.
they were, but I got shot right there by that building.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Me and you are gonna cross over here. You guys are gonna stay here. We're gonna draw their fire. We're gonna go into the building,
Okay, yeah, we have way too many.
and we're gonna go. Ready?
3, 2, 1,
Push some
go.
shots. Go. Watch the window. Yes.
Shoot me in the ass.
Yep. Just slowly peek the window. Oh, I see him. Yeah, behind the pallet. Okay. Yep, he's down. All right, guy in the courtyard is down. Let's push. Let's go. He's down. Yeah, he's down. Let's go. Hit.
Hit.
Dead rag. Pull it. Ow, that hurt.
You shot me in the ass like 5 times.
I got the stomach.
Bruh.
They're still fighting.
And I'm gonna.
And I'm black on ammo, I'm out.
Well, no,
I got some
it's
sniper shooting on me, sniper shooting on me.
Our team is the best. Honestly. Except for just shoot at their gun. Whenever I hit
I
them.
probably just need one. That's probably all long as I'll last.
Okay.
Walked into three different guys right in a room and just got lit the hell up.
They're .30, so they'll definitely be calling their hits with those.
Plus, I'm using using 2.8. I'm pretty sure I bounced one off the top of guys freaking.
.28s.
Yeah, well, I was running .28s. I got .230s over.
Yeah, I run
but-
3s and 3.2s generally in my
but
rifle.
the
outdoors.
30s are too heavy for this gun. They don't go worth crap.
You gotta adjust that hop up, man.
I got a crank on the way up
Do you really?
for the 30s.
Oh,
I gotta put it.
I gotta take my dead rag off. Ooh, yeah, I got lit up in the stomach real good there. I guarantee you these are gonna turn into some nice ones. Oh yeah, that looked good.
Well, my pistol isn't working.
He was in the window on the far building all the way up.
Yeah, okay. My pistol isn't working.
All right. There's a guy right down this alley. I'm looking.
Give me your
right
pistol.
at him.
Give me your pistol.
There's a guy in this alley right here. I'm looking right at him.
Hey, window!
What do you mean, hey, window?
This window right here, there's a guy looking in. Straight ahead.
This little window. I got nothing. This one?
Yeah, straight ahead.
That's a. Oh, that's on our team. That's on our team. But I see where he's at. Yeah, he's on the little structure.
Oh my god.
Damn it, he's down.
Your pistol's basically out.
No, it's not.
Like 6 rounds.
Yeah, okay. Well, be careful with it.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Window.
Window and not bad.
Guys, give me cover.
Cover.
Okay.
Get it over the road.
I kind of want to go get that motherfucker now. Fuck it. He's still on the back of that building. He's still in the back of that building.
Here,
Okay.
down the way from it. If you go in here,
Yeah.
go down to your left.
Yeah.
You'll see.
That little structure you were on before. Sorry about shooting you before, man. I didn't realize that. Yeah.
Oh.
I thought you were an enemy playing tag with us.
You're in the same building, Tony.
Copy. shit. Hit. Thank you. Oh shit. That was my cardio for today.
All of a sudden, like, he's coming around the corner. Else I turn around. Bye-bye.
Oh, that was awesome. That was worth it. Whew. Whew. All right. Come on, guys. You missed out on the fun.
Oh, yeah. Here's your mag.
Oh, thank you.